Hi guys, postman's been. It's a sunny afternoon as well. Apologies for the brightness. Yeah, I've been putting off buying one of these for years. I've got to a situation where I actually need one, as opposed to I would just like one. So, what is it? Portable soldering station. Well, I've got other soldering stations. So why this one? It's a generic one. It did say unbranded. I don't know if PJLSW is a brand. $858D. Anyway, why is this any different? Because it's one of those hot air ones. Brushless, high frequency hot air desoldering station. Yeah, I got to do some desoldering. I've had a go using my good old-fashioned solder sucker, and it just can't do the job. So I'm hoping that we might be able to do it with a hot air gun. Okay, so one assumes that screws on one side or the other, depending on which side you want. There's a couple of screws there. Yeah, we'll decide that in a minute. So yeah, so I've been putting off buying one. I've been wanting one for years. But there's a difference between wanting one and needing one. And what it is, so say, the bit that I want to desolder, I just can't see any way of doing it with the solder sucker. It's a bit big and unwieldy. It's not what I'm used to. Still, we'll give it a try. So I think I might put that on that side rather than that side. So there you go. That's Grandad's post bag. I can't remember how much it was now. Either £25 or £30, thereabouts, something like that. We'll find out if it works. I thought I'd better switch it on so you can actually see it. So this is the fan speed. And that's the temperature, which is flickering on the camera. Looks absolutely fine to me. So it looks like it works anyway, or at least it switches on and the fan blows. And I did put my hand near the end so I could feel that it was getting warm.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.